Hello friends and welcome to Dipansh video time. Today we are going to be having gravity on our project. So let's start. So first we have a cat sprite here. Let's make a ground sprite. I'm just going to make it very quickly like a green type of color like that. Let's go to sprite 1 cat again. One flag clicked, so this will be a one flag clicked. I want to set size to 70% so I can show you quite nicely. 60% is going to be more better. Yep, that's more, so it goes more slow. Go to this position, the top. Go to x13 and go to x0 and y48. So go somewhere in that position. So this is somewhere 0, 0. Now we want a variable which will be keeping track. So this will be checking the gravity and this will be the gravity. Name this gravity because this will be our y position. How our y position will go up or down, right or left. So yeah, up or down. So after this, I want to set y velocity to 0 in first. So gravity, or you can also name it y velocity. Choice is up to you. Now in forever, I want the if check. This if check will be checking if we are touching the sprite 2. Then I want to set y velocity to 0. So set gravity to 0. After that, I want to change the y by gravity. So this will change the y position by the amount of gravity. But gravity is set to 0, so it won't even go up or down. Neither that. So put a change gravity by -1. So how does this piece of code go? First I set gravity to 0, so we won't be going down, and then it sets the size to 60, and then it goes to the x of 0 and y of 148. Then forever it will check if you're touching sprite 2. So if this is false, it will just set gravity to 0. So we are going neither up. So it just sets gravity to 0 if it's true. So it goes neither up or neither down. Then if it's false, it moves to the next block, which change y by gravity. But again, gravity is till 0. Then when this, it checks on the next block of how much is gravity. Gravity is -1 forever, and this is in a forever loop. Okay, then it will change y by -1. So this will change y by this custom variable over here. Just leave that block. And then here it is, gravity. Let's check. Cool, you like it? Let me put it in full screen and let's see if it's more better. Wow. See, it's gravity. Even collisions, which is quite nice, right? What a mix. It's half collision and also gravity. That's all we wanted. So here you go. Gravity on your projects. If you want to know more about gravity, you can go to my how to make a player jump video in this channel. And don't forget to like this channel, like this video, and smash that subscribe button. And also on the bell for more notifications. Until next time, scratch on.